In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Gantt view. If you're looking to manage projects more efficiently, gain better timeline visualization, and improve task management within Asana, then you're in the right place. We'll guide you through everything you need to get started with Asana's Gantt view and maximize its potential for your team. Firstly, it's important to understand what a Gantt chart is. Essentially, a Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that represents a project schedule. It's an incredibly useful tool for planning and scheduling projects, showing you the timeline of your project activities with clarity and precision. In Asana, this is referred to as the timeline view. To start using Asana's timeline view, you need to be a member of an Asana Premium, Business, or Enterprise team. Once you have access to this feature, you can head over to your project within Asana. In the project view, locate the timeline option, generally found at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to your Gantt chart, where tasks are visualized across a timeline, allowing you to easily see the project's progress and dependencies. A vital element of Gantt charts is setting start and due dates for each task. This allows tasks to be properly aligned on the timeline. To set these up, click on any task within your project. A side panel will appear where you can assign dates, ensuring the task falls correctly within the project's timeline. This also gives everyone on the team a clear picture of when tasks need to start and be completed by, reducing the risk of miscommunication or missed deadlines. One of the strengths of using a Gantt chart is visualizing task dependencies. Dependencies ensure that tasks which rely on the completion of other tasks are sequenced correctly. To create dependencies in Asana, click on a task and select the Add Dependency button in the side panel. Then, choose the tasks upon which this task depends. This will draw clear lines between tasks on your timeline, helping to identify bottlenecks and ensuring that work flows smoothly from one task to the next. Another way to enhance your use of Asana's Gantt view is by utilizing milestones. Milestones are crucial moments within your project timeline and signify major checkpoint events. To mark a task as a milestone in Asana, open up the task and select Mark as Milestone. This will turn your standard task indicator into a diamond shape on your timeline, highlighting it as a significant event within your project. Finally, customize your timeline to better suit your project needs. Asana's Gantt view allows you to filter by assignee or section, adjust the timescale from weeks to months depending on your project's scope, and even collapse task groups for a more streamlined view. By following these steps, you'll be effectively leveraging Asana's Gantt view to improve your project management capabilities. Each feature helps provide clarity, enhance collaboration, and maintain a steady workflow, ultimately leading to more successful project outcomes.